Let's say exam week is almost here. You've got many subjects or many topics that you need to revise, all with lots of information. The point of a timetable during exam week is to help you organise and sort out this large mess of different subjects that you have. So what I would recommend is to write down each single day up until your exam. Use that as a sort of timetable. If I've got 2 weeks till my first exam, I'll write down all the days up until the exam. And then look at each subject that you are taking or each topic and write down the topic in any order that you want in the timetable. You might get told what type of paper you're doing, so you might do a paper 1 or a paper 2, and there'll be certain topics that will be on the paper. You can find out those in the specification, physics and maths tutor, ask your teacher, or your textbook. The key thing is to space out all your subjects or topics. This is called spaced repetition, and this is a method which has been scientifically proven to work to help you with revision. So now we've just organised this larger mess of problems into somewhat smaller mini problems. Your job now is to do what you're meant to do each day, and this is my example. Some extra things that you might want to consider is to put smaller topics into one day. Do the topics that you absolutely despise first, just to get them out of the way. Definitely spread out all your subjects and topics across the time that you have. At least do one thing each day, unless you absolutely can't. The last thing is possibly for the first test that you have, start revising it last. So if your first test is physics, then start your revision for physics last of all the subjects, if that makes sense. Those are some things to consider. I hope that helps. Good luck. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.